Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Benjamin, and for those of you who know me, I'm the Buffett investor. So in today's video, before I begin, a lot of you has been actually asking me, a lot of my friends has been asking me, hey Ben, you've been sharing a lot of videos, were you able to conduct some sharing groups or mastermind groups and things like that to share? And I'm actually very, after thinking through, and luckily with all of your support, I've actually been actually came out with this master class sharing on the 30th of October, at 7 p.m. And actually in the sharing itself, I'll be talking a bit about the financial experience and journey, with Warren Buffett, and of course a lot of sharings in terms of the value investing. We will also do some live examples on some of the companies and how to choose from and how to invest in the stock market for the sustainable long term. So click on, the registration link is actually below in my video, and then you can actually subscribe to that as well. And in terms of the journey as well, I'm also very thankful for some of the mentors and people who have inspired me also in my wealth journey, especially like, Sean Seah, and of course, before that, there's also a lot of people such as, from the Buffett family, even also like Robert Kiyosaki, and people such as that, Blade singers and some of these people, and apparently they will be, right? There is actually an event on the 2nd of November that is actually also a wealth creation event, right? That you also can go there to find out how to create multiple streams of income. Some of them are linked to value investing as well. So do click on the links below. There's actually free passes and you can get a free Amazon book, right? So that's about it. And okay, and then today's video, since we're also talking on the topic of wealth creation and things like that, I thought I also want to share how actually value investing has helped me a lot in the journey, because before that as I was sharing, I used to also been trying a lot of things. You go into like trading, there's like MLM and all this, and I realized that it's not sustainable, because a lot of times these schemes are very in terms of they try to promote getting rich quick, and as a result it's not sustainable, because it takes a lot of time and effort as well. And also because in terms of the track record, there isn't also really a very sustainable one. So a lot of times you could be going up and down in the market, or you're doing a lot of I know there's some programs that talks about even selling mobile apps, how to get rich, or even like starting a business with 5 steps and all this, and they're trying to sell all these investment programs, whereas the methods that actually I'm currently using, that actually is proven and is also shared openly on the internet, by Warren Buffett himself, and that is actually how you can actually just keep up a very good saving rate. That means every month when your salary comes in, or if you have other streams of income, you actually just save those money, and in fact you actually put it and keep just pumping it into your investment portfolio. And that is what I call also the snowball method, that in fact I'll also be sharing in my masterclass sharing, how we can actually identify a list of stocks, or even if let's say you're not really a stock picker, you can actually go into ETFs, exchange traded funds, that is actually going to the broad diverse index market, right? You're mirroring the general, how the whole market is actually progressing. And as we can tell from the in the past performance track, right, a lot of this index broad market fund, they actually they tend to go up over the long run, and that's also due to, because we have shared earlier on, inflation rate, prices will increase, consumers will actually pay more, and generally speaking, if the company or the market itself as a whole, you'll be selling products, that is constantly in tune with relevant to the market, it will actually go up, increase over the period of time. The revenues and profits and earnings will also continue to go up. Of course, you have to buy into the right broad market index as well. Okay, and going back to the snowball effect I was talking about, how we actually pick good fundamental stocks that has very strong economic mode, a lot of I would say competitive advantage, as shared by Warren Buffett a lot of times. And for him, he also goes into stocks and companies that is like no-brainer. Even in his own words, even if you put like monkeys or idiots to run the company will still survive, because of the strong structure, the management, the products that are selling is economic resilience, right? For him, he talks about like chewing gum, Coca-Cola, things like that, and these are some of the companies, right? Even today, I would say, today speaking, let's say we're more in a digital world, how can we actually look at like companies like Apple, Facebook, right, Amazon, companies that continue to renovate themselves, right? They have a lot of I would say consumer branding, strong value in the market, and how can we actually save up our money every month and park into each of these different step by step sustainable. We're not like asking us to quickly do it overnight, no, but it's more of you actually consistently save up money, and as and when you accumulate, let's say 10,000 and above, reason being because you want to keep the transaction fee low, right? And then you actually park it into your investment portfolio, and that's how we will encourage. And so I hope that you actually gain a lot of value from today's this sharing. Hopefully it has encouraged you to take that first step. As earlier on I was sharing, those are those masterclass sharing that I'll be conducting on 30th of October, as well as there's a wealth creation event on the 2nd of November. If you are free and keen to find out more, do click on those, and I'll see you soon. Like and share this video, click on the subscribe button. I'll see you soon.